Hi friends, hope all of you are hale and healthy, cheerful and joyful. Once again, I wish to spend some time with you and present to you this video. I believe all of you are spending your time usefully and fruitfully. Some of you may be busy with the online lectures and school academic programs. The topic of my video today is building up friendships. Certainly, you will like this topic. This is a very interesting subject. I know that all of you are aware the school is the best place to win friends and be surrounded by your friends. Life becomes joyful and meaningful when friends are around you. Due to the pandemic these days, you experience how boring it is to live without the company of friends. Soon you will be back in the school and then you will meet all your friends again. School is the only place where you can enjoy the company of your friends. Some have wonderful talent to build up friendships, but some may not have it. But all can learn to win friends. So, today I am giving you some guidelines to build up friendship and to hold on to them throughout your life. What is friendship? Let me discuss with you, therefore, few points on the subject of friendship. Sometimes you come to me and tell me, so and so is your best friend. You assert, I have lot of trust in him. I tell him everything about me, and he also tells me everything about him. Even all my secrets he knows and his I know. How this is possible? Because both of you have accepted each other wholeheartedly. He has accepted you as you are, and you have accepted him as he is. Friendship means accepting someone in my life. The more number of people you accept into your life, more friends you will have. The deeper you accept another person into your life, stronger will be the bonds of your friendship. You will experience for yourself your friendship is reciprocated in an equal measure. Thus, the trust between you and your friends grows and deepens. Mutual acceptance and mutual trust are the two sides of the same coin. Either both grow or both dwindle as the days go on. So the question arises, how can I win friends? And how can I hold on to them and never lose them? For this, the basic dynamics of friendships are to be followed. Let me give you then some tips to stabilize friendships and make your friends trust you and remain with you as friends. Guidelines for good friendship. First of all, human persons, their name is the sweet sound they would like to hear always. Many times we use nicknames. Sometimes people do not like nicknames. They resent very much when they are addressed with the nickname. So, be very careful while using nicknames. Always make a habit to learn the names of all your friends and to pronounce them correctly. Just ask yourself whether you know the names of all your classmates and whether you can pronounce them correctly. Your classmates will be your companions for several years. You should make it a point to learn the name of all your classmates and remember them and address them respectfully. Never offend anyone by addressing the name in a disrespectful manner. Remember, every friend is precious to you. You can never afford to lose them. Dear children, how happy are we when someone gives us a smile? Please learn to smile as soon as you reach school. First thing you can do is to smile at everybody. Smile radiates joy and happiness. Smile attracts others. In the school, you should smile at everyone. The teachers will be happy when you smile at them respectfully. Boys should show dignity when they smile at the girls, and similarly, the girls should learn to smile modestly. If you wish to win friends, you should mind your speech. There is a friendly way of speaking. There is also a rude way of speaking. Which one you prefer? Certainly, you can crack jokes. You can be jovial, but you should not become mean and vulgar in your speech. Always appreciate others, respect others, and honor others in your speech. Never desire to pain and offend others in your speech. In case you committed a blunder in your speech, immediately say sorry and excuse yourselves. Sometimes words are sharper than the swords. You can destroy the good reputation of others and spoil their good name by your words. Some people can hardly win friends. You are creating enmities for yourselves by your bad words. So cultivate good speech and you lose nothing, but you will win friends and appreciation from all. Some people have the bad habits of quarreling and fighting. It can be in a words or even through gestures. Sometimes you may not like what others say and do. Let us gently express our displeasure in a discussion, and in groups do not hold on to your own opinions stubbornly. This may lead to heated arguments. Make a habit of listening. If you are convinced that other person is wrong, then tell him that you do not agree with him or with his opinion. As you grow up, you will learn to speak on serious topics. Even if the topic is serious, you need not accept everything what others say. But as far as possible, avoid quarrels and arguments. Still worse is the fight. Boys often fight and girls often quarrel, maybe through arguments. Fighting could be out of anger. Then things may go out of control. All this bound to destroy friendships. If you want to win friends, you should cultivate good manners which manifest in your behavior, in your words. Good manners are learned at home and in the school. If all learned good manners, the fights and quarrels will be minimum. You are a student of a reputed school which is known for good and reputed students, so learn good manners with the diligence and spread the reputation of your school and through the way you relate with others. What should be the quality of friendship between boys and girls? At home, brothers and sisters grow up together and parents teach how they should relate with each other, namely with love, with respect and with reverence. Very rarely, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other at home in a good family. The relationship between brother and sister is the model for all heterosexual friendships. School is the ideal place to build up heterosexual friendships because in every class there will be both girls and boys. You can speak freely and discuss openly your lessons and your assignments. You can also play and have fun with each other and thus learn to relate with each other with respect and dignity. This is the best way to grow in your personality and later on to live in the society as a good citizen. Let all your heterosexual interactions be in the open and in a frank manner. You can also play and have fun with each other and thus learn to relate with each other with respect and dignity. This is the best way to grow in your personality and later on to live in the society as a good citizen. Let all your heterosexual interactions be in the open and in a frank manner. This will help you to become mature in your relationships. Dear students, please know, building up friendship means building up your personality and also your future. You know the saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed, so that they will come to your rescue when you are in need. You are studying in a premier school where you have innumerable opportunities to have friends and to grow in wisdom and maturity, spread the good news of creative ideas and plans with your friends, you will be remembered by your friends for many more years. As a lamp radiates light, you also be a lamp radiating joy and happiness of good friendship. Come to school every day with a bright smile. Greet everyone. Say good morning, hi, hello to everyone. Do not forget to greet your teachers. Every day is a new day that brings new opportunities to propagate other and mirth. Help your friends in need to encourage them when they are sad, to comfort them when they are sorrowful, to support them when they feel weak and helpless. Thus, you can be an angel of peace and joy in the campus. Let your heart be large and wide open to embrace everyone with warmth of love and affection. To conclude, let me say something regarding bad friendships. What makes a friendship bad? It is the purpose. Why you go along with your friends? To do good or to do bad? To help others or to do harm to others? If you join others just to harm others, to bring damage to the good reputation of others, to create enmity or to plan something evil, then such friendships are bad. Never join with your friends to pain or to do anything evil. Firmly resolve that you avoid persons who speak evil about others and who plan to do harm to others. On the other hand, you inspire others to do good, to help, to support, to encourage, and to appreciate others. Then, friendship will build up your personality and make you a great person in the society. Let me therefore exhort you to have a great image of yourself. Entertain always positive thoughts about yourself that you are good, noble, helpful, and generous. If so, you will be loved by all, appreciated by all, supported by all. Desire that it should happen in the case of every student of your school. It will be an awesome experience to be in a school where an atmosphere of friendship and encouragement prevails, where you feel relaxed and contented. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you all.